to reality.
Yeah, these lonely nights I stay awake. Even though I stand on 2 feet, it still feels like an earthquake. Yeah. Maybe one day I want a relationship, but right now it's not a good time. I swear you'll leave with your heart break. Yeah, you look at my status now. I do not fuck around. If smoking this weed is loud, you beat, but I do not hear a sound. I guess life goes, and if it goes slow, but if we're meant to be, just let it run, just like the water flows. Forgive me, cause I'm picking my poison now. As bad as it may sound, I might get hurt, but I'm already broken down. Broken down. And I cannot stick around. This weather became so violent, I used to be your sun, but now I'm your broken cloud. Where's your smile, never found, would it ever come around? Hate to see you cry, cause I'm running around. I told you to come with me, you didn't see the vision, now your boy busy. You're lost in regrets of what you were saying. Now this is a price you must be paying. This beautiful violence has got you in silence. Silence. Why are you crying? Don't cry. Fussing and whining. Why? I get it though. I would too if I was you. On this beautiful violence has got you in silence. Silence. Why are you crying? Fussing and whining. Violence. Deep inside, I wish it could stay, but I be lying to myself if I'm feeling that way. And we cut each other up, and we're bleeding on the floor looking for a rush. Now we out of touch. They say a diamond. Some real shit. I only want the bill shit. I'm on top of the world, and nobody can steal it. This fussing and fighting got me looking deep in your eyes. Why you acting so surprised? I'm about to catch this bus now. I'm about to kill it tonight. I'm onto a better plan. Apart from my difference, I'm aiming to grow my own dividends. I'm still in it, now my boy. Got dreams, the dreams of it owning the Royce. But I just got a vision of me being the best that nobody ever saw me. Plans on traveling long in the distance. Hit London, Tokyo with precisions. Then I'll hit Italy up, cause I heard they have those A-listers. And no, I'm not finished, no. This shit is not for the weak-hearted. I guess this is why we departed, and now we are blood and tears. Can't face your fears, back where we started. Damn. This beautiful violence has got you in silence. Silence. Why are you crying? Fussing and whining. I get it though. I would too if I was you. On this beautiful violence.
Bitch, why you playing with my check? No, I've been a player, I collect. Yes, sir. Bitch, why you playing with my check? Bitch, why you playing with my check? No, I've been a player, I collect. Yes, sir. Bitch, why you playing with my check? No, I've been a player, I collect. Bitch, why you playing with my check? 100, 200 G's. Give me a deal, I bet it all on me. I am the truth, Sean Connery. I got the keys all in my jeans. Y'all know I ain't playing since about a year ago. Looking at the competition, who's that motherfucker though? Stop telling me like, homie, you should slow your roll. I am everything I know and you is just a sucker, bro. Really wanna talk about who's the hater? Finna dip, I'll see you later. Where's my motherfucking super waiter? So classy, I've been catered. Get the cheese, I know we rollin'. All strikes like BB bowling. All dimes like Kelly Rowland. Baller OG, Chris Copeland. Bitch, why you playin' with my check? I don't need to hear that bullshit. I'ma put to rest. Know that I've been a boss. Yes, I come collect everything he gained to me. You could call it fucking chess. What word? Bitch, why you playin' with my check? Know I've been a player, I collect. Yes, sir. Bitch, why you playin' with